Elevating breakfast, mastering avocado rose toast for a flavorful morning. Wake up to the allure of avocado rose toast. A breakfast masterpiece, where simplicity meets elegance on your morning plate. Start with a ripe avocado, its creamy texture the star of our dish. Carefully slice and fan out the pieces, crafting a beautiful rose. Place this avocado rose on a crisp, golden slice of toast. The contrast in textures is a delight, the base for our creation. A pinch of salt is all it takes to elevate the flavors. It enhances the avocado's natural creaminess, bringing out its best. For those who crave a little heat, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes adds a gentle warmth. It's a dance of flavors on your palate. A drizzle of olive oil for the final touch. It glistens on top, adding a rich, smooth finish that ties everything together. Avocado rose toast isn't just breakfast. It's a moment of joy, a delightful start to your day powered by plants. Enjoy every bite,